One thing you definitely don't want to do is start buying gold and silver because you have FOMO, fear of missing out. You don't want to pour all your money in now when you haven't done your right research, you haven't actually done any risk management, and now you put all your money in, and tomorrow the price could go down. So here is my personal strategy when it comes to investing. I like to invest in what I know and what I understand. Do I understand the fundamentals of gold and silver? I would say I have a good understanding of the fundamentals of it, but I don't have extensive knowledge and I wouldn't be confident investing today in gold and silver. But what I am confident in is investing over the long term. Investing is not buying a load of gold today and selling it in a week. Investing for me is a 5 year plus period. And what we can do, we can compare it to other investments to see if it is a good investment and to see if historically it's a good investment. So we're going to start off on gold. So we're going to look at gold over the past year. So over the past year, it has increased by 79.5%, which for anyone would be a great return. Most people are happy with a 10% return on their money. So an 80%, almost 80% return over a year is great. Now we can do the same for silver. Silver has seen a 208% increase over the past year. And if you don't understand what that means, I'm going to break it down. So for example, if you had £100 or dollars in silver this day last year, today, if we just round it down to 200%, you would have £300 or $300. That is the 200% increase right there. And now let's compare it to some other popular investments over the past few years. So we have Bitcoin. Bitcoin over the past year actually is a minus 11.8% return. And then we go to Nvidia, one of the most popular stocks over the past few years. It is a 29% return or almost 30% return. So realistically, silver has been investment over the past year. But like I said, investing is for the long term. So we need to look at 5 and 10 year periods. Then if we compare it to Nvidia over the past 5 years has done a 1,210% return. So let's put that into numbers. £100 or dollars in Nvidia this day 5 years ago, if you kept that, held it, you would have $1,330 right now. So that's a 10x. So if we looked over a 5 year period, Nvidia would have been the best return for your money, but there's so many factors that's affecting this. Who knew 5 years ago Nvidia was going to take off? I only invested in Nvidia about 3 years ago. I still saw a great return, but not the same as a 10x. And having so many great options like this, people will be tempted to shift their money from one investment into another. But for me, investing over a long period, you should be consistent in your investment. You should stay solid. If you're investing in one market, stick to that because you can't time the market.